First, there was Oomph, the world's first all-in-one pressurized coffee maker and travel cup, featured internationally. After 3 years of testing and research involving feedback from thousands of customers, we're launching Oomph 2.0. Quick to assemble, simply add coffee, hot water, wait, and plunge. The compact design creates more pressure, further improving the taste. It's also an awesome-looking travel cup. Unlike other coffee makers, such as the French press, our design moves the brewed coffee away from the grounds so the coffee does not get bitter from overbrewing, and is still the same size as many travel cups. Knowing that you use travel cups in your cars, we tested Oomph in some. We've tested this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and all of these. Our customers wanted to take the Oomph to more places, so we increased durability and made it watertight. The Oomph has been designed to stay hotter for longer and has an insulation barrier to achieve this. It stays hot for over an hour. Holding an impressive 370 ml of coffee, the Oomph holds enough to fill 2 cups. The perfect coffee lies between 18 and 22% extraction, depending how strong you like your coffee. With Oomph, you can restart the brewing process and increase the strength of the coffee you have already made, so you can enjoy the perfect coffee at the exact strength you like. The new lightweight, slimline design makes it easier to store and take on your morning commute. The Oomph's lid is shaped to match the contours of your lips, making it comfortable to drink from while on the go. Save up to 80% of the cost of your coffee compared to buying at your local coffee shop. The Oomph is now 100% watertight, meaning you can experience your perfect coffee throughout the day. Easy to clean design. Simply rinse and reuse the Oomph, or put it in your dishwasher for a more thorough clean. The Oomph is made from Triton, which is BPA and BPS free. It will never cloud in the dishwasher even after thousands of washes. This is the Oomph 2.0.
Hi, I'm Matthew, creator of the Oomph, and for the last few years, myself and the team have been listening to all of your suggestions, taking everything on board, refining and improving our product, until at last we feel we've perfected it. And what better place to launch than on Kickstarter, where our journey began some 3 years ago.